Alright, what's up guys? Because we're doing another video this time in my mom's garage. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna say is waiting for this for a while to actually do this to my car, but I did get a package from Z1 Motorsports, so shout out to them for this package. But let's go ahead and open it. So let me go put you guys down here real quick. Put you guys right there. Oh, well, put you guys right there in my. Oh, nope. Ignore the technical difficulties right now. Put you guys right there. So let's go ahead and open this. This is the package right here. I'm not gonna show my address, but yeah, so let's go and open it. See what's in here. See what we got here. First things first, we got two things here. You probably know what they are, because they're flat. And we also have the Nissan Genuine start button from the GTR. So what we're going to install in this video is a GTR start button. Let's go ahead and get that guy out of there, and I'll show you guys what real quick. So there he is right there. Nice red. Feels almost metal. Let me go ahead and get the hammer here. So that's him right there. He's got you know, back here and everything. Very, very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but that's that. The other thing we have in the box as well, I just got off work, so I'm sorry if I look, all professional and everything, but yeah, so let me go ahead and take this out of here, and then we'll go ahead and show you guys what this is. So that one, did they give me 4 of each, or 2 of each? I did not order 2 of each, but, I might as well put it on if they give me more. Oh boy, it's column paper. So, you guys probably know what these are, just based off of what the package is. But I did order some nice aesthetic things for my car, and that's what these are, is aesthetic things. So let's go ahead and get these out of here. So we have 2 of each apparently. I'm gonna probably give them to my friend. We have a Z1 Motorsports thing there. I think they give you 2 of them because they're for each quarter window, but for me, I got 2 of them, and I also got a Z1 bigger one. So probably gonna give one of these 2 of these to my friend. But yeah, and then I'm recording this the night of, so I'm not gonna do it tonight. But tomorrow in the morning, I'm probably gonna install that start button. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in a minute. Alright, we're back the next day, and so I'm in my car here, and I'm just gonna get this part off here. Looks like someone already did this in the past. Hold on, there we go. Looks like someone already did this, actually. This is already marks there, but I didn't do that, so let me go ahead and hold on 1 second. Just woke up, by the way. Sorry for the sleepy voice, but I just woke up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in my car. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this off. So should be a clip right there. Come on. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so I got it. There's a clip on the bottom here and on top. So this is the GTR start button install. Make sure to put this up top. Extend that all the way. And we should be able to kind of reach in there and loosen this guy out of there. Yep, so there's that. And I watched the video on how to actually get the plug unplugged, and you have to go underneath in there. So I'll be right back. It's like right in there, so I'll be right back. Alright, so what I'm having to do is I'm having to get this piece off, which is right underneath of there. And I'm going to try to go underneath, so I'll be right back for you guys. Oh my, that was a piece of work to actually get this thing out, but it's finally out. So here's that, and then we're going to go ahead and get the other thing on here. So let me go ahead and woke up, so I'm not going to show my face, but yes, we just got to get this little silver thing off of here. There's 2 clips on the side of it. Pretty self-explanatory there. Just going to slide this guy into there. Make sure he's the right way around too, so. And also, I've seen other videos where people will change the amber lights to another light, and I'm like, I don't really want to do that, so it's just going to be stock. So that's why, you know, we're going with the stock GTR start button. So, oh, there's this right here. Go ahead and put this back in here. But first, you want to go ahead and plug that in there. So, I'll plug that in. 1 second. Alright, so every video that I've watched, it's easy for them to get back in, but I'm having trouble with actually trying to get the clip to go back into the thing for whatever reason. So, yeah. So I'm going to work on that and see if I can get it and everything. Alright, guys. So, thankfully, it took me an hour almost to actually get this full button in. But if you go ahead and look, there he is right there, GTR start button. So, if you guys are looking for an OEM button, I'm going to be selling my OEM button. So if you want to you know, get that, I can go ahead and, you know, I'm on focus. There we go. Okay. But yeah, so this button is a lot better. It feels better. It actually is like new, so that's awesome. And yeah, so fully works. So, you know, turn it off, turn it fully on, and everything. So, but yeah. But if you guys did like this video and you want to see more videos like this for the build of the G37, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, share this with your friends, whoever is looking for, you know, a video on how to get a different start button on their car. This one looks amazing. Like, you can even see it back in there. It looks absolutely stunning. And I'm going to be doing more stuff. My next thing is going to be getting these rims on, as well as the spoiler that I'm going to put on. So if you guys are looking forward to that, make sure to leave, like, subscribe. And have a great day. Stay spooky, my friends.